Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So in this session, we are going to discuss one important topic, that is handling pop-up in Selenium. So this is one of the important interview question which you will face. So let's discuss this. So handling pop-up in Selenium WebDriver. So we covered in earlier series, we covered frames, windows. I highly recommend whoever not attend that series. Also, we completed alerts. I highly recommend whoever not completed those series, please go back and check all these series, then so that you can get a clear idea. So in Selenium WebDriver, a pop-up is any kind of dialog box or window that appears unexpectedly, that is, or intentionally. That means unexpectedly or expectedly, kind of, during web application interaction. Pop-ups usually require user interaction and can interrupt normal automation flows. So handling them properly is essential in test automation. What does that mean? So when pop-up opens, then it basically stops or hampers or interrupts the normal automation flow. So for execution of the automation flow smoothly, we need to handle these pop-ups, I mean to say. So handling them properly is essential in test automation. So this is essential. Then types of pop-ups in Selenium. So let's say JavaScript alerts, that is alert pop-ups. What are these? Simple pop-up messages created using alert, confirm or prompt in JavaScript. So these are JavaScript alerts or the alert pop-ups. So example alert, this is an alert, just like one alert pop-up. So next, browser pop-ups or window pop-ups. Pop-ups that open in a new window or tab, that is sign up in a new tab. Selenium handles these using window handles. Driver.get to window handles, that is get all windows. Driver.switchTo window, that is window handle, switch to pop-up. Driver.close, that is close pop-up. Driver.switchTo window, parent window, return to main window. So how exactly we will return to the main window? So driver.switchTo window or parent window. Then file upload or download pop-ups. Native OS dialogs for uploading or downloading files. Selenium cannot interact directly with OS level dialogs. Solution: use send keys on input type is equal to file elements to upload files directly. Okay, so whenever there is input type is equal to file, we can directly upload the file using send keys. Then HTML pop-ups or modal dialogs. Pop-ups created using HTML, CSS or JS, that is div, span, etc. Selenium treats them as normal web elements, so you can interact with them using click, send keys or get text. Summary table. Pop-up type: JavaScript alert, browser or new window, file upload or download, HTML or modal pop-up. Selenium handling method: alert interface, that is accept, dismiss, get window handles, switch to .window, send keys to input type is equal to file, treat as normal element, that is find element, etc. Okay, so these are different kind of pop-ups. So it will see the diagram, pop-up handling in Selenium, that is, let's say first one is JavaScript alert, that is alert interface. With the alert interface, we accept, dismiss, this is an alert. Browser new window, get window handles, switch to .window. Then file upload or download, that is .send keys. HTML or modal pop-up, treat as normal element. Okay, so JavaScript alerts accepts, dismisses, and sends text to alerts. HTML or modal popups reads modal text and closes the modal. File upload popup uses a robot class to upload a file via OS dialogs. Either we can use robot class or send keys. Okay, in any way we can handle the file uploads. Okay, so let's check one program code which will handle all these pop-ups. Okay, so if you will see this program, handle all pop-ups with scroll. Okay, basically, okay, so what happens, like there are some elements which are not visible, so we will scroll to view this using JavaScript executor. That's what I have written here. So let's say WebDriver driver is equal to new ChromeDriver driver.manage.window.maximize JavaScript executor JS is equal to JavaScript executor of driver. So JavaScript alerts, different purpose. So alerts. So how we'll work with alerts? So in earlier series also I discussed that, but let's see that web element alert button is equal to driver.findElement by.id alert button. Then JavaScript with JavaScript execute js.execute script arguments of 0 dot scroll into view true comma alert button will scroll into view basically. Then alert button dot click. Then alert is equal to driver.switchTo dot alert system dot out dot println simple alert text alert dot get text. Then thread dot sleep 5000 alert dot accept. Then just we'll wait for some time, 2 seconds. Then web element confirm button is equal to driver.findElement by.id confirm button. Then js.execute script arguments of 0 dot scroll into view true comma confirm button dot click. Then alert confirm alert is equal to driver.switchTo dot alert. Basically the confirm button dot click will open one alert. So now we will find confirm alert text confirm alert dot get text. Then thread dot sleep 5000 will wait for 5 seconds. Then confirm alert dot dismiss, then we will dismiss that. Then thread dot sleep will wait for 2 seconds. Then web element prompt button is your driver.findElement by.id prompt button. Then js.execute script argument of 0 dot scroll into view true prompt button. Then prompt button dot click, again it will open one more alert. Then alert prompt alert is equal to driver.switchTo dot alert prompt alert dot send keys, that is Selenium test. Thread dot sleep 5000, that is it will wait for 5 seconds. Then prompt alert dot accept, it will accept the alert. Then thread dot sleep 5000, it will wait for 5 seconds. Then HTML modal popup driver dot get this modal dialogs. Web element show modal button is equal to driver.findElement by.id show small modal js.execute script arguments of 0 dot scroll into view true show modal button dot click. Then thread dot sleep, it will wait for 5 seconds. Web element modal text is equal to driver.findElement by.class name modal body system dot out dot println modal text dot get text. Then web element close modal button is equal to driver.findElement by.id close small modal js.execute script arguments of 0 dot scroll into view true close modal button. So thread dot sleep 5000, that is 5 seconds. Close modal button dot click thread dot sleep. Okay, so 1 second. Yeah, so it will wait for 5 seconds. Then file upload popup using send keys, basically using send keys. Okay, so driver.get, it will open the upload download. Thread.sleep, it will wait for 3 seconds. Web element upload input is equal to driver.findElement by.id upload file. String file path is equal to d:/file count /sample file dot txt js.io.file file is equal to new java.io.file file path. Then if file.exists, if file not exists, system.out.println file not found at plus file path driver.quit return. Then send file path directly, don't click. Upload input.send keys, that is file path. Then thread.sleep, wait for 3 seconds, then system.out file uploaded successfully. So these are the different pop-ups which we handle in this program. So let me run this, then you will observe the result or actions. Let's see this. Okay, it open this, then it will scroll into view. Just observe, it's loading. It will be scroll into view for the alert, and it will, yes, see, it is scroll down and click on alert. It will click on OK now. Then again it will open one more alert. It will cancel now. See guys, scroll down. So cancel. Then it will be send text. Send keys. I am going to say send keys. It will send some text. Yeah, enter Selenium test. Okay, that's how alert it worked on alert pop-up. Then now it will open maybe modal pop-up. See, small modal. This is a small modal. It will close that. Very less content. So now it will close. Perfect. So now it will work on file upload. Okay. So it will upload a file using send keys. See, file is already uploaded, and similarly it will display the message file uploaded successfully. Okay guys, so that's how we will work with pop-ups in Selenium. We will handle pop-ups in Selenium. One more time, I am just showing the program. This is the start of the program. Just observe, slowly I will scroll down. So please observe the whole program. So first one is JavaScript. Oh, we have created JavaScript executor because we need to scroll into view. So see JavaScript alerts. This is alerts. These are different type of alerts. Okay, which we handle. Then we have HTML modal pop-up. Okay. Then we have file upload pop-up using send keys. Okay, these are the different pop-ups which has been handled. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.